Hey everyone! If you're a Twitch streamer and want to download your past broadcasts, this video will walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Easy once you know where to look. Let's start with something important. Twitch doesn't save your streams automatically unless you tell it to. So first, we need to turn on auto-archiving. To do that, head over to the Twitch website and log in. Click on Channel and Videos. Then on the left-hand side, choose Stream. Now. Scroll down a bit until you see Store Past Broadcasts. Flip that switch to on. This tells Twitch to automatically save your streams after they end. From now on, every time you stream, Twitch will keep a copy saved for you. But keep in mind, regular accounts can only keep broadcasts for 14 days. If you're a Twitch affiliate or partner, you get up to 60 days. Now, let's talk about downloading your saved streams. Go to the Twitch. This time, select Video Producer. Here you'll see a list of all your recent broadcasts. Find the video you want to download, saving to your computer, and that's it. Now you've got your Twitch stream saved offline, ready for editing, uploading to YouTube, or sharing however you like. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides like this one. Thanks for watching.